Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about our ʻEke Holo, or our pods. Our pod is super versatile and good for all your cloth diapering needs and beyond. Our pods are great for packing a day's worth of cloth diapers for a babysitter's house or a grandparent's house. It also serves as a great way to store other things in your cloth diapering products. For example, extra sets of clothes, a sleeping mat for your classroom, anything that you want to keep neat and organized. Our pods are made of double layer PU laminate. So what that means is that the inside is water resistant, so you can put inside anything wet, for example, soiled diapers or wet swimwear, even dirty muddy shoes that you're bringing back from a hike. It features traditional carrying handles here. It also has this hanging strap which can be used for putting on a stroller or a doorknob, and it has removable snap features so that you can easily take it apart and put it back on. Because of the double PU laminate, it's really easy to clean. All you need to do is turn it inside out and throw it in the wash. Our diaper pod also features a front zipper pocket, which are good for all your small items like keys, lip balm, sunscreen, cloth wipes. You can even put your sunglasses in it. That's all for today about our pods. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And please make sure you follow at Kaleimamo Hawaiʻi on Instagram.